Managing rental properties can feel like an overwhelming task. In an industry where organization and financial management are very important, your choice of tools can significantly impact your journey towards success in property management. So enter property management software. Many business owners choose to use QuickBooks as a way to manage accounting, but is it really the right choice for property managers? Well, we will dive into this and more today. Welcome back, Loopers. My name is Sydney and I'm a landlord and real estate investor here to help you out. Now, quick disclaimer that I do work for DoorLoop and this is the DoorLoop YouTube channel, but let's hop into this QuickBooks review. Starting with, what is a property management accounting software? This refers to any accounting product that can accommodate rental property operations. Some products, like DoorLoop, are specially tailored toward the property management field and give users access to more specific tools. Others are more standard small business accounting options that can be used to meet a wide range of accounting needs, like QuickBooks. How property management accounting software is used can depend on many factors, from the size of the tenant base to the number of units under management. Some property management teams will require the more comprehensive reporting available with specialty products, while more standard operations may suffice for others. Personal preferences and business needs can both play a significant role in how software is used to manage rental properties. Let's quickly cover what property management is like with QuickBooks. As I mentioned, QuickBooks isn't made with property management in mind, so in order to use it for your accounting, you'll have to do some workarounds. You have unique accounting needs as a property manager, particularly when managing financials of your properties, such as setting up individual accounts for each property, implementing a system to collect and track rent payments, as well as income and expenses. Not to mention fees such as parking and HOA, and managing two separate accounts simultaneously, ideally one for property management services like paying for maintenance, collecting rent payments, and one for the property management business itself, such as paying payroll and utilities. A notable property management software like DoorLoop can help you with much more than you may expect. Not to mention, QuickBooks doesn't give you access to any features like automated rent collection, tenant communications, maintenance management, and more. So all that being said, let's hop into a comparison of QuickBooks versus DoorLoop based on the features, pricing, customer service, and ease of use. Starting with the features. QuickBooks has a great set of accounting features, including robust financial reporting, payroll, online payments, chart of accounts, and more. These features have caused QuickBooks to be a great solution for small businesses. But as I mentioned before, they might not have everything you need as a property manager. DoorLoop is an all-in-one property management platform that can handle company accounting and a whole lot more. DoorLoop's features include collecting rent online and a tenant portal, where you can make it easier than ever for your tenants to pay their rent and other monthly fees with our full-service CRM and tenant portal, communicate with tenants, collect rent payments by giving your tenants a convenient portal that they can access via their smartphone, and more. Streamlined communications, where you can communicate with tenants from within the app via your smartphone or desktop, manage maintenance requests in minutes, work with vendors, and more, all from within one platform on DoorLoop. And a dedicated owner portal for printing checks and giving timely reports to your owners. Marketing and e-leasing tools that can have your vacancies syndicated to many sites, including Zillow, Trulia, HotPads, and Apartments.com. Then you can run checks on your applicants and e-sign the leases all from the same platform. And there's a fully responsive mobile app for any device. Now, since we're comparing it to QuickBooks, we have to mention the full accounting suite. These tools were developed with property managers in mind, so there won't be any tricky workarounds. You can just hop right in and start using it. Now, if you're already using QuickBooks, we do have a convenient one-click integration, or DoorLoop is fully equipped to be a full accounting suite without QuickBooks. And there are so many other features. All of that may sound great, but it only sounds great if it works within your budget. So let's hop into the pricing. The QuickBooks Small Business version's most basic plan, Simple Start, is $30 per month. However, for more features such as managing and paying bills, you'll need to get the advanced plan for $200 per month. All plans do come with a 30-day free trial. DoorLoop starts at just $49 per month for up to 20 units. You can even get a free demo to explore the software yourself by clicking the link in the description, and you'll get a special discount. Customer service can be a huge factor when choosing the perfect solution, and the best way to get a real report on customer service is to read reviews from real users on sites like Capterra or G2. One feature QuickBooks does offer for customer service is one-to-one bookkeeping, but it does come at a cost. DoorLoop is a great solution if customer service is a priority for you. Users report having an incredibly easy time getting a hold of support quickly. In addition, with DoorLoop, you can speak to real live human beings like myself who will help you with your support request. In fact, you can actually walk through the software right now with a real human being on a demo, which is free, so click the link below. Ease of use is where you can really make or break your experience with software. With QuickBooks, although the software itself is pretty easy to use, it does become complicated for property managers, as accounting for property management isn't the same as a traditional business. You'll have to use workarounds to input your properties and tenants as customers, since QuickBooks isn't designed for property management. DoorLoop is easy to use and easy to learn, while also providing an accounting suite designed with property managers in mind. Users report DoorLoop's dashboard being incredibly easy to navigate, the software itself lightning fast, and the accounting tools and other features being structured in a way that makes it incredibly easy for you to find what you need. So now that you have a good idea of what features QuickBooks and DoorLoop have, along with the pricing, customer service, and ease of use, it's time to decide which one you'll use. The truth is, whichever one you go with is what's going to help your business succeed and grow. So if you think DoorLoop is the right fit for you, then click the link down below. I hope this video helped you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Plus, you can check out this playlist for property management tips, and I'll see you in the next one.